Good evening, friends. I hope you're all doing well. I'm also fine. Today I'm going to show you how you can install PHP Nginx on Ubuntu. So let's get started. So first, let's go to EC2 and then launch a new instance. Click the launch button. PHP Nginx. I'm giving a name and I'm going to choose Ubuntu. And at this moment, I'm going to choose Ubuntu 24.04, right? And then I'm going to choose T3 Micro. That's available in the free tier. I have to choose UPR here as well. And I'm going to add a new security groups, right? And in the advanced details, let's create an instance profile. So I'm going to choose with suitable click launch instance. Okay, might take around 1 or 2 minutes time. So let's wait for that. Meanwhile, I'm going to open my blog post where I have written all the comments, right? So here's the comment. So first I'm going to add this repository, and then we're going to update apt, then we're going to install PHP 8.4, 8.3, whatever it is, right? So let's go. Let's refresh it. Button. Yeah, let's refresh it. Okay. So click the connect button here. We're still not ready. Let's one more time. Let's see. Sometimes it takes 1 or 2 minutes to initialize the whole instance. So that will be the reason. Okay, the instance is ready, right? So let's sudo SL. I'm going to make root privilege. Sudo SL. Good. Now we're going to run the commands. Sudo apt repository. Right? We're going to add a repository for the PHP. I'm going to press enter. And then sudo apt update it. Why? So we're updating the detail. Next, we are going to run this whole thing. So these are the commands. I'm just going to paste it into my terminal. Then we need to configure PHP FPM. So we are just going to open this. Okay. Now what we have to do is like find the following lines and uncomment them. So we are going here. So we have user www data, group www data, that's fine. User, I think it's likely down. Yeah. So listen owner, www data, listen group, www data. This is already uncommented, right? That's good. And listen.mode 06660. So let's just comment this line. Right? Okay, so there we're going to save it. Control X, right? Clear the screen, and then we're going to run this. We will install Nginx. Okay, Nginx installation is done. Now I'm going to create a like virtual host in Nginx. So let's do this. And let's copy the whole thing, server block, open it in a notepad, and then let's see. So what we are going to do, listen 80, that's fine, server name, PHP 8.4. Yeah, this is, we need to change to the subdomain. So my subdomain is like I have Nginx.xyz, right? And then the server root, we can say that var www, I think, or maybe you can call it like HTML. That's also fine. Index.php, index.html, that's fine. And the location, this is also good, PHP 8.4. Okay, so let's copy and paste it here. Now we are going to create a symbolic link here. That's also very simple. Okay, now we are going to restart. We're first going to check if the syntax is good, right? Okay, it says the server name var www.html has suspicious symbols. Okay, let's see if we have that file is there. cd var www. We have HTML, cd HTML, right? Okay. So what it says, server name, whatever this the suspicious symbols. So it's saying, oh, yeah, we have to put a semicolon here. That's my mistake, sorry. So let's go there again. Go to the edit mode, and here we have to add a semicolon here. That's my mistake. I always do this. So remember to put a semicolon at the end of the line, otherwise it will throw you an error. Yeah. Maybe the internet is probably having some issues. So I'll check here. Okay, right. This command. On it. Okay. Now here, the end of this line, we should put a semicolon. That's important, right? Okay, save it. Now we are going to run this. Should be -t. Yes, the syntax is okay now, right? So this is good. It's fine. So then we are going to install the certbot using snapd. So let's do this. Okay. The certbot is installed. So let me go to my Cloudflare to point the domain, right? Just going to pause the recording a bit and come back again. Okay, I'm back. So I'm in my Cloudflare account, and then this is my domain, attribute.xyz, and then I added a new A record. Name is Nginx, and the IP address is the IP address of the instance, right? This is the IP address of the instance. It's copied from here, and then I paste it here. See, send that, right? So now let's go to my terminal and then complete the other commands. So we will start with Nginx. Right. This is the command. Enter the email address. I'm going to give my email address. And so see. Then yes, I pronounce. Yes. Yeah, that's correct. Now it is requesting a certificate using certbot. So they will verify if my IP is properly pointing to this domain, right? And if the IP is properly pointing, then it will issue a certificate. Here, this. Congratulations. You have successfully enabled HTTPS, right? Now let's clear the screen and go to so which is Nginx. Okay, it says 403 forbidden, and then the reason might be I don't have a file, but yeah, maybe. So let's create a file. Go to cd, HTML, ls, and then I'm going to create a vi or maybe nano of HTML, and then create a very simple index HTML file. Yeah, suddenly I this HTML. HTML, and then we have head title, and then we have body, H1, as well, hello world, right? Save it, X, Y. Now let's try to visit here. Yes, this is the page, hello world, right? We have an Nginx SSL certificate enabled, and then all those things are fine. Now you can do anything as you want. You can run a WordPress into this folder, like you copy the download the WordPress and then paste it here. I'm just going to give you like an example. If you go to wordpress.org, and then there should be a kind of a like download button. Here, get WordPress. Yes. And then in the downloads options, you can download what latest WordPress setup over there. Put the files and then you can set. So this is what anything you can do. So my video was regarding the setting up of PHP 8.4 Nginx into Ubuntu, and that's being done with an SSL certificate. That being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. If you do, please share with your friends. Thank you. Now this.